Alright guys, this is a very brief what's in the box or unboxing of the Racebox Mini. I've just received it in the mail and let's have a look and see what's inside. Wow, nice cardboard, and inside we have this nice Racebox box. It's a Racebox box. Let's open it up. Wow, there it is, the Racebox Mini. It's quite big in comparison to the Dragy or the Sky RC, but let's test it out and see how it will do in the future. What's more in the box? Some padding, a USB Type-C charging cable. Oh. These are plugs, probably for water when you're using it on the water, so you can keep it sealed. There's a quick start guide in it, a white Racebox lettering sticker and a black Racebox lettering sticker. Then there's this 3M rubbery. I think you have to put it on here if you're tending to use the magnet that's inside, so it doesn't scratch paint. So you can stick this on. Then there's Velcro solution, pretty strong. If you want to use the Velcro, it's already a lot of Velcro on the floor, on the table. And then there's this sticky pad, pretty sticky. I think this, either you will use this the most or the magnet that's inside on the speaker in the car, for example. So that's all. That's in the box of the Racebox Mini. Thanks for watching, and let's review it soon.